So this saw burned up, and the guy tossed it and said I could have it. I kept it for scrap metal, but then I noticed that bolt right there, this piece right here. It's hard to find those. And another friend gave me this saw, which is awesome. It's old, it's tough, I love it. But this bolt right here don't have that round piece behind it. See right there? So it's a good thing I saved it. We can take this piece off and put it here, hopefully. These saws usually have a button you can mash that will lock in the motor, so you can turn this bolt. Oh look, this one don't have it. I don't know if this blade's gonna fit this saw. This saw's kind of tiny. We'll try it. Oh no, I don't know if it's gonna fit. Look at the size difference. It's a big difference there. Let's try it, see, because that is a new blade. Well, we'll save this blade though. I got another saw I can put in there. Oh no, it's not gonna fit. See? It's wrong shape. See how the edges on this side and this side are round? Leave them flat like this two sides. So we're gonna take the cutter and just cut these flat. And then this should sit right down on top. And then we can add the bolt. Cut one right here. Always make sure the writing is on the outside. Hey, how about that? I don't know if this has got a button that holds the motor so it won't spin when we're putting this on. So let's look and see. So it's definitely going to spin. See how it's trying to spin? So we need some vice grips. We got some vice grips. Yeah. Set them where they're closed. Clip it on there, it's going to hold itself. When I turn it, it's going to buck up against that. This is an old Black & Decker. That thing was smooth. Use all this aluminum siding on the outside of the OSB. And then once we get it up, we're going to paint it brown. That's the cool thing about this aluminum. It's made just like vinyl siding. It's just out of aluminum. So whenever they press this aluminum, it puts this design in it like it's wood. So I feel like once we get this on there and paint it, it's gonna look pretty good, I think. There, that ridge cap, I didn't have enough to finish this side and the other side. Well, tearing down this house, I found some more ridge cap. Thank you, Mike. I just want to finish this task before I move on to the next one. Not long enough for what I'm about to do, because that ridge cap sits on some of those humps. So I've got some longer screws, but they don't have this rubber seal right here on them. We're going to take the rubber seal off of these. But here's the part we need. It's got rubber here, piece of metal on top. You want the metal to be facing the head of the screw. So we're just gonna slide that seal on this screw. And there you go. Just gotta do that about 30 more times. See if we can find a caulking gun. And hopefully some caulking that's just left over laying around. Perfect. Now let's hope it ain't all dried up. Cut the tip down and dug the stuff out. We'll stick this in there like that. Huh. Still got some in it. How about that? I think it's broke off. There's your new nail. And there's your old nail.